my wedding anniversary. I wanted to give a small surprise to my husband with a Python automation program. He is going to receive the messages n number of times, but he don't know how the messages are delivering. And I want to see the feelings of him, how he will react after receiving all the messages. So if you want to do the same thing with your husband or friends or relatives, please walk through with me with the code. First, to keep your web WhatsApp in active state. Then open one of the in Python environment. Here I am opening the Jupyter notebook. Please wait for 2 seconds. Environment is loading. So I taken a new program file. First install the library. So pip install PyAutoGUI. Execute. So now I am going to show you a small program. Define. Function name is wedding message. Passing 2 arguments. Number of times, how many times you want to send the message. Time gap, message to message, how much time gap. Followed indentation. So import just now what we installed. Import the library PyAutoGUI as PG. Import time. So time.sleep, here I am giving 5 seconds of time to switch from Python environment to web WhatsApp. For loop I am writing for I in range of, pass the argument number of times. Time.pg, call the module pg.writeOff. Which message you want to send, that you please write it. So I want to send a happy wedding anniversary, I love you. So that message I return into here. That message I wrote. So time.sleep off. So how much time? So time.sleep off, calling the argument time gap. So pg dot press off, enter. So function created. Now calling the function for execution. Number of times, how many times you want to send the message. I want to send 100 times. Time gap, for message to message, how much time. Maybe 1 second. Now I executed. Come to web WhatsApp and just click on the recipient. Now you can see the messages are delivering. This process continues until 100 times. So see the reaction. My husband at present, he is happy to see all the messages. Maybe confused why I am receiving so many messages. And if you want to do the same thing with your husband or maybe friends or anyone, please write a small program. It's an automation program, only 5 to 6 lines of code. Now you can see the color. He also saying Dhanyavad. If you want to delete the messages manually, you need to delete. There is no program for auto delete. Small Python web WhatsApp automation program. So far I developed several AI and ML projects and delivered several corporate trainings. And if anybody interested to learn more about Python and data science, I'm teaching core Python, advanced Python, statistics, data analysis, data science, ML models, deep learning, neural networks, computer vision, generative AI, front-end applications, and dashboards. Contact me at any time.